Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see or how to view old stories on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and sign in to download Facebook, as we said, if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight into the video. So here I'm just going to launch my Facebook application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. Here, of course, you will find the posts, maybe of you, of your friends, of the people that you follow, of the pages and groups that you join, that you follow, that maybe the posts even that you're interested on, and some sponsors and etc, something like that. So how can you actually see like old stories, or yeah, old stories? It's simply, first of all, you would like to click here at the option stories, and as you can see, you can create here a story, because for me, I never created a story, so I'm just going to create here a random story, even if it's not gonna like count as old story. But as you can see here, I'm actually now sharing my story. So let's just wait, and as you can see here, that is actually my story, and I can see who viewed my story. I can click at the three dots and edit privacy, save it, delete it, and do whatever I want with it. Of course, I can even turn off the comments. So let me just go back. Of course, if I want to see all stories, tap in the top right corner here at the three lines, then go to your profile. Here, of course, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find here several things, but all we need to do now is just go. You would like, of course, enter your profile, click at the three dots, then here you'll find an option called archive. Just go and click on that, and here you'll actually find all your story archive, and you'll find all your old stories. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.